Hello and welcome to Auto Inside. Today we are diving deep into the 2025 Ford Mustang GT, a car that continues to push the boundaries of American muscle while integrating modern technology and performance enhancements. The 2025 Mustang GT carries the legendary Mustang DNA but refines it with sharper styling, advanced aerodynamics, and a more aggressive stance. At first glance, the exterior is a perfect blend of tradition and modernity. The front grille has been slightly reworked, featuring a more angular design that improves airflow while maintaining the signature Mustang presence. LED lighting technology dominates the front and rear, with redesigned headlights that now incorporate a more defined tri-bar DRL setup. The hood scoops and sculpted body lines add to its muscular appeal, while the lower stance gives it a planted and performance-oriented look. Moving to the rear, the taillights maintain their three-bar design but have been modernized for a sleeker look. The quad exhaust tips hint at the power lurking under the hood, and an optional performance spoiler adds an extra touch of sportiness. Stepping inside, the 2025 Mustang GT welcomes you with a cabin that merges classic muscle car heritage with modern digital luxury. The biggest update is the fully digital cockpit, featuring a massive curved display that combines the driver's instrument cluster with an infotainment screen powered by Ford's latest Sync 4 system. The customization options for the digital display allow drivers to tailor their experience with multiple gauge layouts and performance tracking tools. The steering wheel has been redesigned with a more ergonomic grip, and paddle shifters for the automatic version come as standard. Premium materials are used throughout, with available leather upholstery, contrast stitching, and optional carbon fiber trim adding a touch of sophistication. The seats are more supportive than ever, providing comfort for long drives and stability for high-performance maneuvers. The ambient lighting system allows drivers to set the mood with multiple color options, enhancing the overall driving experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT keeps the heart of the beast alive with an updated 5.0-liter Coyote engine. Ford has fine-tuned this power plant to push out an impressive 500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 engines in a Mustang GT. The power delivery is smooth and aggressive, with enhancements to the intake and exhaust systems ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. Buyers have the option between a 6-speed manual transmission for pure driving enthusiasts or a 10-speed automatic for those who prefer quick and seamless shifts. Ford's advanced Magni Ride suspension system is available, providing real-time damping adjustments for improved handling and comfort. The drive modes have been expanded, offering settings for normal, sport, track, and drag strip, allowing the Mustang GT to adapt to different driving conditions and preferences. The braking system has also been upgraded, with larger rotors and high-performance calipers providing exceptional stopping power. On the road, the 2025 Mustang GT delivers a thrilling yet refined driving experience. The improved chassis and suspension tuning provide better cornering stability without sacrificing ride comfort. The exhaust note has been meticulously engineered to deliver a deep, aggressive roar that perfectly complements the car's character. With the addition of electronic limited slip differential traction and control are optimized, making the Mustang GT more capable than ever on twisty roads and high-speed straightaways. Advanced driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, ensure that the Mustang remains as safe as it is powerful. Ford has also introduced a Track Apps feature that allows drivers to monitor real-time performance data such as acceleration times, G-forces, and lap timing. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT remains competitive within the segment. The base model starts at around $45,000, with higher trims and optional performance packages pushing the price closer to $60,000. For those looking for additional performance and aesthetics, Ford offers various upgrade packages, including the Performance Pack, which adds enhanced suspension tuning, Brembo brakes, and unique exterior accents. The Dark Horse variant aimed at track enthusiasts takes things even further with increased power, track-ready components, and an exclusive design package. The 2025 Ford Mustang GT continues to uphold the Mustang legacy by offering a perfect balance of power, style, and modern technology. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or someone looking to experience American muscle at its finest, this car delivers on all fronts. From its aggressive exterior to its tech-packed interior and exhilarating performance, it remains a top contender in the performance car market. That wraps up today's deep dive. Be sure to stay tuned for more in-depth automotive content right here on Auto Inside.